Welcome to Lecture 4 of Mastering Cognitive Performance. Unlocking your brain's potential. Understanding the brain. In this lecture, we will delve into the fascinating world of brain anatomy and explore how different brain structures contribute to cognitive function. By gaining insights into the functions of each lobe, we can better understand the remarkable capabilities of our brains. Let's begin. The brain is a complex organ composed of distinct lobes, each playing a unique role in cognitive processing. Understanding the functions of these lobes is crucial to comprehending how our brain functions and how we can optimize our cognitive performance. Let's explore each lobe in more detail. The frontal lobe, located at the front of the brain, is involved in higher-level cognitive functions such as decision-making, problem-solving, and reasoning. It plays a vital role in executive functions, personality, and emotional regulation. Damage to this lobe can impact impulse control, planning abilities, and emotional stability. The parietal lobe, positioned behind the frontal lobe, is responsible for processing sensory information from the body and integrating it with spatial awareness. It plays a crucial role in perception, attention, and spatial cognition. Damage to this lobe can result in difficulties with spatial orientation, sensory processing, and body awareness. The temporal lobe, located on the sides of the brain, is involved in auditory processing, language comprehension, and memory consolidation. It plays a key role in recognizing and interpreting sounds, understanding language, and forming and retrieving long-term memories. Damage to this lobe can lead to language difficulties, memory impairments, and challenges in auditory perception. The occipital lobe, positioned at the back of the brain, is primarily responsible for visual processing and interpretation. It plays a critical role in perceiving and recognizing visual stimuli, forming mental images, and processing color and motion. Damage to this lobe can result in visual disturbances, difficulties with object recognition, and impaired visual memory. While not specific lobes, the motor cortex and cerebellum deserve mention as they are crucial for motor control and coordination. The motor cortex, located in the frontal lobe, initiates and controls voluntary movements. The cerebellum, situated at the back of the brain, contributes to balance, coordination, and precise motor movements. In summary, the brain is composed of several lobes, each with its own unique functions and contributions to cognitive performance. The frontal lobe is involved in executive functions. The parietal lobe integrates sensory information. The temporal lobe processes auditory and language information. The occipital lobe handles visual processing, and the motor cortex and cerebellum control motor skills. Understanding the anatomy and function of these brain regions is essential for optimizing cognitive performance. In the next lecture, we will explore the role of these lobes in more detail and discuss practical techniques for leveraging their functions to enhance our cognitive abilities.